I've been wanting a lamppost in front of our barn entrance, but I didn't want to deal with running electrical underground. So today, we're setting up our new 70-inch solar lamppost. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a pack of 4 extension poles, your lamp topper with LED light and 4 solar panels, a base plate, a stake, hardware, a little dome light cover, and a clear lampshade. Setup is quick and painless. Remove the battery tab from the light, then put on your dome light cover. Turn on your light by choosing either low or high setting. Put it on top of your lampshade and turn to lock into place. Now screw your poles together to make the desired length of lamppost. This is nice because you can make it as short or tall as you need for your area. I'm going to connect all 4. After they're all screwed together, slide it into the base mount. You can screw this into the ground or attach the stake onto the bottom of the base plate for dirt ground. Next, push down the lamp onto the pole and stake the whole thing into the ground. It comes pre-charged and ready to light your area with a nice white light. The inside of the lamp has a little domed mirror that helps reflect the light outwards. Now I have a lamp post that turns on automatically to light my barn entrance and gazebo. Not only does the lamp light up our area well, but it looks nice. First glance, you wouldn't think that this is a solar light. In fact, I like it so much that I'm gonna have to get a second one for the other side now. This solar lamp is waterproof and can be left out in any weather. When the sun rises, the 4 solar panels will charge your light. It takes 6 to 8 hours of sunlight to charge, and then will light your area for up to 10 hours, all the way from dusk to dawn. So if you have an area that you'd like a lamppost and don't want to worry about running electricity, this solar lamppost might just be for you. Till next time, I'm heading back out to relax in my gazebo, next to my new solar light. See ya!